welcome to the 2 days WordPress website launch challenge. So this is Rohit Gupta, your WordPress coach for this challenge. So in this challenge, you will be learning how to launch your website practically in these 2 days, where I'll be launching the website. I'll be creating a website live in front of you. All right, so this will be a complete practical challenge. So you do not need to have any type of pre-existing knowledge, any type of technical knowledge to attend this challenge. All right, so before you come to the challenge, I am just presenting you a series of the videos that is needed for you to have the basic understanding about the website. That what are the things that is needed for the website, what is domain, what is hosting, what is the process of choosing the best domain, what is the process of choosing the best hosting, what are different types of hosting, what are the platforms for the hosting, what is WordPress, and why we are using the WordPress for creating the website, right, and all the things. Because after getting these knowledge, you will be ready with a raw website. All right, and then we'll be learning how to change this raw website to a professional website in just 2 days. So that is the challenge for you, that if you are just creating a raw website, then how you will be changing this raw website in a professional website. So before we move to the challenge, so in this series of the videos, I'll be helping out with some basic knowledge. So in this video, I'll be explaining about the WordPress, the platform that we will be using. All right, so let's move towards it. So guys, what is WordPress? WordPress is basically a content management system, guys, which allows us to easily create and manage website. All right, it helps us to manage the content on the internet, which we can manage. We can give it a structure, and that will be present in form of the web pages. All right, so WordPress is simply a content management system. It is a software that we will be using to create a website. To use this software, we will not be having, or we will not be using any type of programming or coding, and you do not need to have any technical knowledge. You can start with a zero knowledge to create your website. Right, so now the next thing is why we are using the WordPress and what is the scope of the WordPress. It is it high in demand in the market, and what is the demand of the WordPress in the market? If you learn this skill, then what other things you can do, whether you can do the freelancing, whether you can take the projects or not, whether it can help you to generate the side incomes. So for that, WordPress is having a very high demand in the market. In fact, this stat will help you out about understanding the WordPress. It is one of the most popular platform and widely used CMS platform in the world. In fact, more than 40% of the websites on the internet are made up on the WordPress. It means out of every three website, one website is made up on the WordPress. So that is the scope, that is the popularity of the WordPress, the tool that we will be learning. Now I'll be showing you some of the popular websites that are made up on the WordPress. So some of the popular websites, it first is our Prime Minister's website, that is made up on the WordPress. Second is the IBPS website, the industry or the organization which conducts the banking examination in India. Third, Microsoft Newsroom website. It is also made up on the same platform, that is the WordPress. Similarly, the fourth, the Meta Newsroom website. This website is also made up on the same platform, that is the WordPress. So by looking on these websites, now you might get an idea, or you might get an understanding that how popular this WordPress platform is, and how you can utilize the knowledge of this WordPress website creation to add on to give the service to start your freelancing journey, and in fact to add a new skill in your resume to get a better hike. All right, so there are two versions of WordPress available in the market. First is WordPress.com, second is WordPress.org. Right, so WordPress.com and WordPress.org basically looks like the same, because it is being given by a same owner. The one thing is the .com, whose logo is available in the blue color. It is a paid platform. Paid platform means it provides its own domain and hosting. All right, its free version is also available, but free version is available with a limited feature. All right, it is available with a limited feature. So you will be getting an option to purchase the domain and hosting from its platform. Now, what is domain and hosting? You'll be learning about this domain and hosting in the next video. All right, you will be getting the limited plugins and themes. What are limited themes means? What are plugins and themes? You will be learning in the coming videos. Free hosting with limited features and limited monetization options. While .org is basically a free platform, or you can call it as a non-profit platform, which you can use it without paying any amount. You can get to use, or you can use all the features of this platform without have to pay any amount. Obviously, it is a software, and to run this software, we need domain and hosting. All right, now what is domain and hosting? We'll be learning in the next video. So we'll be using the platform where we'll be getting the unlimited features, that is wordpress.org. So this is a simple introduction about the WordPress. That what is WordPress? WordPress is a tool, is a content management system that we will be using to create a website. And to create a website, we need the platform from where, on which we can just upload our content. There are two types of versions, or two versions of WordPress available on the internet. First is wordpress.com, second is wordpress.org. WordPress.com is a paid platform, means it provides its own domain and hosting, while wordpress.org, you do not need its domain and hosting. You can purchase your own domain hosting from any of the platforms available online, and then you can use wordpress.org for completely free. All right, so in the next video I'll be explaining about domain and hosting. First we'll be learning about the domain, then we'll be learning about the hosting, then I'll be telling you about the best platforms for domain and hosting and how to purchase domain and hosting. So let's meet in the next video, guys.